Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix ghost touch problem on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and remove our screen protector or a case. Very important, because if we remove our screen protector, if it's not applied perfectly, we can get our problem solved that way. So we can solve our problem that way because we removed screen protector that was not applied perfectly on the screen, but it was going off the edges or the sides of the phone. Now for the case though, I do not use a case because my case covers a little bit of the screen, so it was made out of a bad dummy phone. If it also happens to you, if it's going over the screen, which is between the screen and the side of the phone, the case should stop here on this dark part. But if it's going over the screen, then you won't be able to use it. I mean, you will be able to click, but you won't be able to just swipe anyway. So that's what you guys want to do. Now what are we going to do next is we're going to clean our screen to remove any debris or moisture. So that's why we're grabbing a microfiber cloth and we're going to give it a few swipes. Of course, it's not about cleaning the entire screen, it's about checking if this just helps. So don't give it 100% of your skills here, because it may not work. What we're going to do next is we're going to go over, and as a last resort, we're going to update our software to fix any touch glitches. So there's not a lot we can do against the ghost touches. We need to open up the system and go to system update. We're going to click on online update and click on check for update now. As you guys can see, my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. It is very important. And that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.